So one time in school, I was just, minding my own business, doing stuff, and then suddenly, achoo! And then my friend Vincent is like, God bless you. Okay, last one. So I was just sitting on the ground waiting for the bus to come at dismissal, and this person was like getting everybody to play this game called Bubblegum. And I'm like, what the heck is Bubblegum? I've never played Bubblegum in my entire life. And she's like, wait, what? So then I go, yeah, I haven't played it in my entire life. So then she shows me it. And as she's telling me this, I'm mad confused. Literally all I know is bubblegum, in a dish. How many do you wish? Like, I barely even know it. And she's telling me all this stuff, and I'm just sitting here, all confused. Like, my gears are stuck and they can't move. My brain just ain't getting it. And I'm just sitting here like, she goes, you want to play? And I'm like, how about I draw my feelings? And then I drew this. Yeah. My God.
I have a Reddit.